Hi, this is Ben, and I'm looking at this portable pocket fan. A little bit smaller than I was expecting, but let's go ahead and open this up and test it out. So what comes inside is the fan itself, user manual, charging wire, and a strap. The charging wire does not come with any sort of block or outlet adapter. This will plug into a USB port, a portable charger pack. Here's the fan. When it's stored, it stays folded up, and then it just slides out like this. The fan blades just kind of hang free when you're putting it away. You just want to push them together, fold it up. So then it'll slip down in your pocket, in your backpack, however you want to carry it. And when it's folded out, then you have a handle. You can sit it on a tabletop like that. Here's the power button. It toggles between off, low, high, and off. I'm just going to hold a napkin out here by the corner and blow it with the fan, and you can get an idea how strong it is. So it's decently strong, and as being a personal fan, just to be blowing on your face to cool you off, it's really very sufficient, very adequate for that. Another good thing is, since these blades are not affixed, they're just kind of going with the centrifugal motion of the motor here. If you already hit them, it'll stop. And these blades are kind of like a plasticky foam. They're flexible. So it's not going to hurt yourself if you accidentally knock it with your fingers. Or if a child does it, it won't hurt a child. There's an LED light to indicate that the power is on. Charging port is on the bottom here. The strap can be placed here at the top. Grab it with the twisty tie here that came with the packaging. That'll help me get it through. Yeah, this is a great fan. It's exactly what I was looking for. Something we can bring along on a hot day at a theme park or at the soccer field and just pack it in our bag. This would be great for kids, especially if they can each have their own, and you're not going to burn through batteries because this is rechargeable. Highly recommend this. This is a great purchase. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.